guys, welcome back. This is Jenny from Polly's Paper Studio, and today I have a haul. This is from scrapbook.com, a selection of Valentine goodies and some dies and some Prima. So first I picked up this Pebbles ephemera pack. There are 40 super cutie die cut Valentine shapes to make fun greeting cards with, and then I also picked up the Forever and Always paper pad. This has a very vintagey inspired color palette with some very sweet images. Next is the Sizzix Tim Holtz Alterations Thin Lit Skeleton Leaf. Skeleton leaves. And these come in a pack of 5. And I have used these. I'm planning a honest review video of them for hopefully next week, so you can see how I have been using them. So I picked up those skeleton leaves, and then because I met a minimum order from scrapbook.com, they sent me this paisley edge. So it's just an edge border, and I will use that in my honest review of the leaves video as well, so you can see how that worked out. So this was a free gift with purchase from scrapbook.com. Okay, Simple Stories Kissing Booth is really cute. It's very vintagey and country inspired. It has a lot of cut apart images, some larger, some smaller, depending on what you want to use them for. And then there is also great patterns with the coordinating colors, so you can stack those up and create your projects. Here are some of the 4x6 cards, and that has envelopes with hearts on the back. More 4x6, but I like this has a portrait rather than a landscape orientation. So if you're making a vertical image, that would work better. And then a very busy stripe on the back. Sorry if that didn't come out well on camera. Okay, plaid, always gonna love that. And then XO is super sweet. This reminds me of like old wallpaper sample books. I don't really know why. I think because they're very stylized flowers, but I mostly got it because I like this side, and that is a very tone on tone check. So that is cute. I picked up 2 because I think that will go in a book. And then here's that stylized flower again, but they shrunk it down and put it on a black background, so that's very romantic. And some scribbly hearts, which are super cute. Tickets on this page. So you can use it, I think, as a background or a cut apart if you really like fussy cutting. And then a heart with a dot on black for the B side. Here are some journal card size cut aparts, and they are really adorable. I love this cupcake one. It's sweeter than candy. So there's a lot of different images on this sheet to work with, and this was a little Christmassy in my opinion, but it's still cute, and because it has blue and pink, it would probably be okay for Valentine. And then this plaid, oh my stars, I love this so much. I picked up 2 because I like that, and then I like that dot on the back as well, which may not come across nicely on camera. I'm so sorry if that blinds you. That is the best color of like peachy pink. I just love it. Here is a more of that stylized rose arrangement, but on a black and white stripe, so this feels much more contemporary than the first one that reminded me of wallpaper. And then a damask pattern on the back. Once again, this isn't a very contrasting pattern, so it really reads as a neutral. That makes it very practical. And this one has a very sweet little text and then hearts on the back. There are the patterns from the pattern paper in the heart, so that is really cute. Okay, this I have already gotten into because I don't have a lot of patience, let's be honest. And I've made several projects with it. I post one on Monday of this week, so that would be New Year's Eve. It's a mini album, and I really enjoyed creating with these very vintagey and shabby chic inspired patterns. And I picked up the 6x6 paper pad as well as the 12x12 because you see there's foiling on this pattern, and normally I do not enjoy foiling as much because I think it's just a little too much, but they did it very thoughtfully and purposefully here, so it's a nice accent. It isn't overpowering. It's hard to get all these images in, but of course the buffalo check was my favorite, and then they did include many cut apart images here, so you'll have lots of nice focal images to work with. And the paper patterns on the back are beautiful as well. And because it's a 24 pack, you get 4 sheets of each. So if you're making a mini album or a series of cards, you'll have plenty of the same patterns to work through your project so it looks nice and consistent. So I got the Prima Farmhouse collection. I will link in the description of the mini album that I shared Monday, so you can click over and check that out if you want to. And then I also picked up the Kissing Booth from Simple Stories, and now I get to play with it because I showed it and it's not all cut up and messy. So there are a couple dies here and some ephemera as well, and that is my haul for January, which I got in December. But anyway, if you enjoyed this project, make sure you give me a like, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye!